Hey, what's going on? Rakeem Madison here, and in this video, I'm going to be giving you a Royaltie Gem update. So if you're super excited to get those updates, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Also, be sure to smash that subscribe button if you want to learn how to build a long, sustainable business that will eventually give you the freedom you deserve. Also, tick that bell icon to be notified so that anytime I release any new videos, you get them right here automatically on the channel. Alright, so we're gonna get right into it, guys. So I did a video prior to this, and it was about the new updates that were gonna be released. And guys, I'm just gonna say it, they are here, okay? Now we still have some more for the rest of February. So as you can see here, it says here's a preview of our desktop landing pages that will be available in early February, okay? Now I'm going to go over these because right now the first, let me highlight what we're going to be going over. So the landing pages on desktop, the capture capability, videos, pictures, text boxes, and redirect link buttons. Okay, now here's the good thing about all of these. This enhancement is free to all of our customers. So like with other companies, when they come out with certain things that are new and you didn't have it already, they're going to charge you additional. Well, Royaltie is not going to charge you additional to have all of these things. So that's super powerful right there. Alright, so let's go over here to the actual Royaltie website. So as you can see, guys, let me go ahead and zoom in real quick. Alright, so as you can see, so far in the month of February, I've made $1,047.30, and my team is continuing to grow. The income is staying where it is because my team sees the value, my clients see the value, and people who my team expose this to, they see the value. That's why the income continues to grow with this. So if I just kind of take you back to January, I'll just show you real quick where I was in January and where it's going to go past that, because we continue to show the value, show business owners the value of this product. Alright, so that was $1,047.30 for February, but let's see when January comes up. You're going to see where I was. Man, that is taking a while. Give it a minute, guys. Should pop up any minute now, and then after that, I'm just going to go into showing you guys the setup for the landing pages on desktop. Alright, so it didn't populate for some reason. Okay, so let's refresh the page and see if it pops up the right stuff, because it's still showing the February, so just bear with me. Come on, come on. I don't know, my internet is going slow. I don't know why it's going slow today. Alright, so it went straight back to February. I wasn't trying to have it go back to February, but guys, in the month of January, I made $1,627.90. Right? And I'm going to be hitting past that for the month of February because we're continuing to grow and the business owners are continuing to see the value and why they need this to scale their business. Okay? Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over here, and as you can see, there they go. They weren't there yesterday, guys. Landing pages. I'm going to go ahead and click on it. Alright, so guys, what I love about this is you can build these from scratch. Alright, so go ahead and I'm going to hit the Add New button. And then boom, the page name, you got the page link. So whatever you want this to say, it's going to be HTTPS semicolon // and then whatever you want, and then now site. Alright, so you can add a site logo. So if you want to put your logo right there, you can put your logo right there at the top of the page to brand either you, if you're the actual brand, or brand your business. Okay, so it just depends on what you want to do. Also the hero image, so that's going to be this image right here, and I'll show you a couple examples here in a moment from some others who've already created their pages. Guys, this stuff is exciting, and I've seen some pretty nice stuff, and I've seen, you know, some of us, we're going to need some work, right? And once I grasp it the same way I grasp, you know, all of the other page creators that I've dealt with, it's going to be over, guys. This is going to be some next level stuff. Alright, so the About Me section. So let's say, for instance, let me go ahead and zoom out of this. At least, okay, so yeah, that should work. Alright, so basically, I'm just going to show you what it does. I'm not going to build out a whole page because I'm going to show you pages that that other people have built anyway, so you can get a grasp of how the pages look and how professional it looks. Trust me. Alright, so here we go. I'm going to add an image real quick just to kind of show you how it would pop up. Do I have any images? All right, so there we go. Boom. So I'm hit OK, and boom, you see my name, you see my email, phone number, and if I want to put my Facebook in there, I can. I can put the website, the link to my business, right, where I want people to go. Boom, put that right there. I don't know why that says Arizona. Gotta love auto typing. All right, so Twitter, LinkedIn, right? So you can put the Twitter, LinkedIn, and your Facebook and your website. That way people can contact you. All right, so I'm just going to hit OK on that, and I just want to show you what it's going to do. All right, so boom, right? See a nice picture of me, and then behind me would be the hero image. Now, my name, you see it, my email address, my phone number, boom, right? And it's set up already. So that's what it allows you to do. You can literally just create different sections, and you've probably saw some softwares out there that allow you to build from scratch and create certain sections. It's going to be pretty much that same concept. All right, so if I go to sections right here, you can see headline, feature block, images, large image, a map. So basically what this feature is, if you're wondering, let's say for instance you're a realtor and you're doing a house showing, but you made a video of you doing it. Let's say at the bottom you have an address, right? You want to put in an address to show them exactly where the house is so you can meet up from there. So it really just makes it easy, so a person doesn't have to ask you for the address. They can literally Google map it because it's going to be right there on your landing page. So that's pretty powerful. And then video. So if you want to put a video on the page, you can literally put a video right on your page, directing them to exactly what you want them to do. So that's some powerful stuff right there. The customer form. I'm going to show you guys some examples so you guys will be able to see pretty much what this stuff looks like. And then the button, just creating a button, so wherever you want them to go when they click that button, they'll be able to go just like that. So these are the things that you're going to be able to play with to, you know, and basically build this thing literally from scratch. All right, so those are the sections. Now I'm going to go into the group, and I want to show you guys some examples because people are excited about this. I'm excited about this. So let me move this out of the way, and I'm going to go ahead and minimize that. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the post where everyone was posting their links. All right, here it goes. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you about 2 or 3 examples just so you can grasp the concept of how they look. Let's go here. Let's go to the top comment, and let's just start from 1, right? I'll show you the first 3 possibly, and then we'll go from there. All right, so boom. All right, so once this pops up, just show you, pretty much point out everything. So you remember I said the logo, right? She didn't use a logo. She just used a picture of herself. And then the subscribe button. So once you click this, it's going to take them to wherever your form is on your page. And as you see, she has the hero picture here, lead generation. Boom, learn how to generate leads. And boom, she has the video right there. And then under that, she says, I'm sure she's probably said in the video, hey, down below, there's going to be a place where you can fill out your form. Fill out the form below if you want to learn how to get leads, right? Boom, a person goes through that process. She just generated a lead. And guess what? It goes right into the platform, and you can literally communicate with them right into the platform. So that's some powerful stuff right there. All right, so let's go and look at another one. Okay, another one. So let's take a look at this, and then we'll look at another one, and then I'll talk a little bit more about a few things, all right? All right, so boom, logo, hit the subscribe button. Watch what it does. Takes me right to the form. Okay, and then the information, as I was saying, Mariano, that's the name, email, phone number, and the website. And boom, guys, literally, as you can see, it's broken up into sections, so you can kind of play with it, right? And it's not just one of those things where it's just set and you can't do anything with it. All right. All right, so that's that one, and I'll show you guys one more, and then, all right, so let's go with this one. Let's just go with this one, and this one will be the last one that I show you guys. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to come back, and I'm going to show you a couple of examples of what I built myself, so you can see that this stuff is really beneficial. And, of course, you're going to start to see these pages because I'm going to be using them, all right? All right, so boom. Obviously, right here, this gives it away. This is a cemetery, so that tells you what type of insurance he's selling, which is life insurance, okay? Boom. He has a picture of himself right there, branding him. That is the most important thing that I can tell you to do. Brand you. Never put the company before you, Always you first, because people join people, they don't join businesses, okay? They join because they connected with that person. All right, so awesome from my brother, Mr. Paul. And then his email address, phone number, and if a person clicks this, his Facebook and his Instagram, you can get in contact with him. Okay, and as I said, you can pretty much section this off. So he has the wording, he has the pictures so people can see a visual. He has the about me, letting you know what he is. The videos going over the services, right? And more videos, and I'm sure maybe he has some testimonials in here. All right, so it doesn't really have any testimonials right here. Maybe they're in the videos, but you can now see what it is that he does, okay? And then boom, fill out the form to reach us. So once a person fills out the form, boom, you just generated a lead, and now you can follow up with that lead through the platform. Same platform, guys. This is it's some next level stuff, but that's the gist of that's the most of the landing pages that's been created. It's a ton more, and guys, like I said, I'm going to come back and show you guys how to set up a landing page, and I'm going to do it because I'm going to learn the ins and outs of how it's working, because it literally just came out today. All right, so with that being said, guys, that's the update. That's the update, the main update that happened today. But once the next update comes out, should be in the next week and a half to 2 weeks, I'm going to update you guys again. That way you're informed of what's going on. And all I can say, guys, is I'm excited about Royaltie. I'm excited about it, guys. And I can't, like, I can't fake this. I'm excited. It's just, it seems like it's just getting better and better and better and better, guys. I just got to, throw that out there. So with that being said, hopefully you got something from this video. And if you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. And if you want to get access to Royaltie, right, you want to join my organization, lock arms with me, let's build. Let's build. Let's show business owners the true value of this thing, all right? And if you want to check it out, just, there's a link down below in the description. Click on the link. It's going to take you over to a website. There's going to be a video there. You can watch the video just to kind of grasp the concept of what the Royaltie Gem is. It's basically lead generation technology for small business owners. Okay, that's the basis of it. Getting eyeballs to your business. So with that being said, like I said, if you got value, if you want to get access to the team, there's a link down below, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video, my friend. Peace.